Here is the list of top changes after update my Samsung S24 Ultra to One UI 7 Beta. So first is the recent app style. Tap on the recent apps. You can see the new recent application style on a Samsung One UI 7 Beta. Second, quick setting tiles. Swipe down notification panel. Here you can see the notification style change. Now to access quick setting tiles, swipe from the right side and you can see the new quick setting tiles. You can also customize. Tap the setting gear icon. Tap the panel settings. Here you can see notification quick setting if you want to set separate or together. So you can access both notification and quick setting tile at the same time. Third, new clock style. To see the new One UI 7 clock style, tap and hold the blank space. Tap the wallpaper and style. Tap the lock screen wallpaper. Tap the clock style. Here you can set the clock font and color different clock font. Set the clock color also. You can see the new clock style. Select the clock style from the available list on a Samsung S24 series and other One UI 7. Also show weather information on the clock. Also date above the clock. So you can easily customize lock screen clock on the latest One UI 7 Beta. Fourth, app and widget style. To check the app and widget style, tap and hold the blank space. Settings, app and widget style. Here you can increase or decrease the app size of home screen, app screen. Also show or hide the app name from the app labels or enable or disable widget table also. And here you can see different setting like you can see the calculator icon. Open the app drawer. You can see the app icon. Search bar at the bottom middle also. You can see the new battery percentage icon at the top right corner. Also new battery percentage icon. And the last, one of the most useful, when you play any song or any notification you can see on lock screen, just play song on your device. When you play song and you will receive the notification, just lock your phone and you can see all the details and the bottom middle on your lock screen. So just swipe up if available different notification, any message, and you can quickly access from the lock screen like this. That's it. If you like it, share it.